UMLE ka Sohra ba given melim menta kasengi ka arpusan terik ujemang ulet hu ba ka jingtei ya ka Skywalk ha Dympep Mawkdok kalaya chat menta bat kikmilinti bala kumnu shwaban kut usnem arajar arpunyau kin sayok ban plipat ba noyaka. Karkum kejingat hu jung UMLE kini ka projek ka bakot palat sanpoi kelur tingka kan sanang Khring khambon Shuh ki Nongwan jungok kai prathai namar kande ka wei ni jingtei ka bakham phalla ka bagi pai ba kila ban yat kai pengat hajrong ka te ka jingking ka belashna itenat da ka yet.
So actually the Skywalk at Dympep, the work has started, I think so, in the month of November last year, where the progress of the work is ongoing, and according to the reports from the department, the ongoing progress is around 20% till date. So I'm very confident that once completed, this project will ultimately boost the tourism, in fact, in the Dympep area and its adjoining areas, and it'll be one of its kind, because we do understand that the projection will be around to the length of 40 meters. So I think so it's one of the first, I think so, in the northeast. So I think so they'll be able to attract many tourists when they come to this part of the area. The project cost of the Skywalk at Dympep is around 51 crores, and the tentative time for completion of this particular project, according to the reports from the department, I think so will be in the later part of 2027.